Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Java Lab. So in this video we are going to discuss about theoretical concepts related to input output. Okay, so before going to the concept, like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel for latest notifications. Right, so I can say that most of the programs or almost all the programs in Java, they require uh, some kind of input that need to be processed by the program, and then the program generates some output. Okay, uh, so the input can be from given from console, or the input can come from a file, or the input can come from another system which is connected to your system in the network, so on and so forth. Okay, and the output can be displayed on the console in your system, or the output can be stored or saved in a file, or the output can be sent to another system on the network. Okay, so you should know that there are multiple sources of input and multiple sources or destination for output. Okay, so to support all these kinds of input and output from multiple sources and multiple destinations, so Java provides us with an API. So API means application programming interface. Okay, so it is basically a set of packages which contain some classes. Okay, and the packages provided by Java for supporting IO are java.io package, and also there is another package called java.nio. So IO means input output, and N in NIO means new. Okay, new IO. Okay, so as the name signifies, so this package was developed later. Okay, and this one is the old package. Okay, and this is a new package which is developed later. Okay, right. And so you have to know one more thing about the input output which is performed by a Java program. So the IO is handled by Java in the form of streams. Okay, so what is the stream? So stream is just a flow of data which is composed of bytes. Okay, so the data travels to and fro from the Java program, in the form of bytes. Okay, and the collection of these bytes is called a stream. Right. So let me show you a diagram. So here is the diagram. So this is your Java program that you will write. Okay. So your program requires some input, and your program generates some output. Okay. So the data which is coming from the input from sources, multiple sources, that is, it can come from a file, it can come from console. So console means, let's say, command prompt. Okay, it can come from network. Okay, so whatever data is coming from these sources, it is treated in the form of stream. As it is input, we call it as input stream. Okay, and similarly the output is called as output stream. Okay, so stream is just a logical concept, right? No, not a big deal. Okay, now in Java, whenever you are working with IO, there are by default three streams. Okay, by default there are three streams. So first one is out, which is called standard output stream. Another one is in, which is called standard input stream. The third one is err, which is called a standard error stream. Okay, so in your programs until now you are writing system.out, right? System.out. So this out represents the output stream. Okay, similarly you are writing inside the scanner like this: system dot in. Okay, so this in represents the input stream, standard input stream, okay, keyboard, and standard output stream is monitor. Okay, so these are the three default streams: out, in, and air. Okay, now, so in the program, I am going to demonstrate how to read data in a file and how to write data to a file. Okay, so for this purpose, there are multiple classes which are available in Java. So for reading data from a file, okay, so you have different classes. Not only these things, you have other classes also, but these are the popular classes. So you have buffer reader, file reader, as well as scanner. So you can use any one of these three for reading data from a file. Okay, and for writing data to a file also, we have different classes: buffer writer, file writer, and file output stream. Okay, so there are multiple choices for you. Which one you want to use, that is up to you. And in the program, I am going to demonstrate buffered reader and buffered writer. Okay, so the remaining things, you can Google them and learn on your own. But I am going to demonstrate these two classes: buffered reader and buffered writer. Okay, so that's it for the theory. So we will meet again in the demonstration video. Until then, thank you.